Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. This had been on it had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. That is why we are seeing this red flag and of course the red arrows, and of course it has been selling for a very long time. It has gotten to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it's going to be trying it again. So if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, so you guys should take note of that. Okay, now let's go on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, and it has been buying and buying, even though it has got into this resistance zone and has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should be selling. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 picked up from here, and of course it started buying, got to this region, was unable to go above that, and of course it started selling right from there. Okay, so at the moment this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, had a major pullback, but has not been able to break out below this support zone. So it went back up again, and of course might be trying out on the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will try out the resistance zone again. Okay, so we expect this to sell more, most especially once it breaks out below that support zone. Okay, then the last asset is going to be V75. V75 had been on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a while after picking up from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back, and of course we'll be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back fully on downtrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time also, so we should take note of that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.